If you walk into a store and immediately think of ways to rearrange merchandise for a more efficient shopping experience, then supply chain management is likely the degree for you. Supply chain managers are a vital part of every organization and essential to the workforce. They're constantly seeking out weaknesses and finding new ways to solve problems. And our students don't just learn the theory of how to do this, they get hands-on experience contributing to the success of our industry partners.
I worked on a case study with one of my professors and found that the faculty is really involved in making sure we have everything we need to succeed. They're always helpful and there to support us and provide a lot of opportunities that make Auburn students desirable to employers.
Our supply chain program is consistently ranked in the top 10 undergraduate supply chain programs in the country. All of our classes are taught by faculty members with a professional background in the industry. We have exclusive partnerships and a required internship and a firm belief that our students should have hands-on experience in the field before graduating.
I've had the opportunity to take multiple trips across the country to learn from our industry partners about transportation and retail in the field. I realize the importance of learning more than just the coursework, but learning about business as a whole from these. It helped me communicate more effectively with people and employers, which has in turn prepared me for interviews and career fairs.
We're dedicated to bringing industry into the classroom. We work with over 300 employers from around the globe to ensure that 100% of our students get professional experience before graduation at top companies like Amazon, DHL, Walmart, Mercedes-Benz, UPS, and Georgia-Pacific, to name a few.
The supply chain department has so many resources available, from in-person events, lunch and learns, networking events, career fairs, and faculty who are always available and providing opportunities. Our faculty have all worked in the field, so there's a lot of real-world knowledge that they share with us.
Supply chain is the best part of business, and if you ask me, I think it's the coolest field.